Hi, my name is Kristen Hillman. I'm the Director of Food and Nutrition Services for Capistrano Unified School District. Capistrano Unified School District is offering free 7-day meal kits for all children 18 and under this summer through July 27th.
Hi, my name is Shannon Illingworth. I'm a nutrition specialist with Food and Nutrition Services. You might be wondering what's included in our 7-day meal kits. Each meal kit includes breakfast and lunch for 7 days, as well as fresh fruits and vegetables and a half gallon of milk. Every other week, we're also doing something special called Takeout Tuesdays, where we have family-style meal kits that include family-style bags of orange chicken or General Tso's chicken, brown rice, and broccoli for your family to enjoy together.
The sites for pickup are here at our Central Kitchen in San Juan Capistrano, Wood Canyon Elementary, and Las Flores K-8. Times for pickup are 8 to 10 a.m. here in San Juan and 9 to 10 a.m. at Wood Canyon and Las Flores. Meals will continue to be free throughout the 2021-2022 school year as well. So come and visit us and enjoy some free nutritious food. Thank you.